Hey, I've heard of. We basically became a listed company in November. I don't know who ever heard of Rocket Internet, but it's an infamous investor. But I won't bore you with that. That's just how we see it. And Jay's web is a little bit the odd one out, and we will try to see what we do with that brand and the platform going forward.
It's called IDEA, Internet Dating Excellence Association.
I'm here with Violet Lim. She's from Lunch Actually in Asia. Amazing. One of my heroes in the space. So wonderful to see you, Violet.
Hi, good to see you again.
We're hedge fund analysts or like very, powerful alpha women that were really having trouble kind of dating.
Every day we help millions of
We're here eating Cuban food.
First in about 5 or 6 years, but I've been to a few
In the past.
back in the day.
We're finishing the day with a nice Cuban meal. Oh God, my hair's stuck up. I hate it when that happens. Finishing the day with a nice Cuban meal with very good company. Don't ask daft questions.
Daft! Oh, daft am I?
It's the end of the day. We're going home now. That was fun. It's the final four. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Isn't really.